Vice President Pence and I are from different sides of the aisle, and we disagree on a lot. But that is what makes tonight so powerful. Because before we are partisans, we are patriots. We recognize tonight that the peaceful transfer of power, which we may have thought was a given, isn't really. It has and always will depend on men and women of courage.
January 6th was a tragic day, but it became a triumph of freedom. And history will record that our institutions held when, after law enforcement secured the Capitol, leaders in both chambers, in both political parties, reconvened the very same day and finished democracy's work under the Constitution. So I came tonight to give credit where credit is due, but also to say in these divided times, I know in my heart that we will find our way forward as one nation. And I hope in some small way, my presence here tonight is a reminder that whatever differences we may have as Americans, the Constitution is the common ground on which we stand.